Alright guys, Josh Tech and we're back again with the tech video. Now listen, before I get into this, I found a gaming mouse for under 20 bucks. That's actually good. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put it down in the description below the main video where I did a review on it. It's a gaming mouse I did. If you guys could kind of, it's so bright. You can kind of see it, but it's really bright in here because I got the lights on and plus the camera. Where you can purchase this gaming mouse. And I'll put down the video if you guys want to check out my tech review. It's just a little simple review, but I will do an unboxing and a review on the one they sent me. They sent me another one. So let's check it out and do an unboxing. All right, so I got this in the mail yesterday and they wanted me to do another unboxing on it. So call it HIRALY. I can't even know if that's right. So basically this is a gaming mouse. Let's check it out. I'm gonna open it up. It does come in this nice little box. So this is RGB backlit gaming mouse. So let's check it out. Now I did do a review on it, like I said, and actually this is a pretty good mouse for under 20 bucks. It's about $16.99 right now with free shipping. So, and yeah, they got two of them, $14.99 and $16.99. It's the gray and the black. I got the black one, so let's open this up and check this out. In the box, it's got this little thing. Now, this is not going to be like Razer or any top brand mouse, but you know, something, you know, for under 20 bucks, comes with instructions and stuff, and it does come with the program you could download and stuff. But this is pretty much just a plug and play. You just plug it in, boom, you're ready to go. So here's the gaming mouse, and actually it's pretty nice. Check that out, it's pretty nice. I will do some footage. I'll record it when it's plugged in and show you during the video. So this is pretty much it. Pretty much got the same button mouse. It's got the same, if you guys can see, the same buttons here, the DPI, the light mode, clicking. Here's the clicking. So that's a clicking. And it's got two buttons on the side right here and stuff. So, and it's got a scroll wheel. So let's open this and check this out. It is also USB, so you just plug it in, bam. It does come in this nice braided cable. I'm really liking that. I'm really liking the braided cable. And honestly, this mouse is actually like my Razer. It's actually, look at that. It's almost the same. Like, you know, of course, you know, this is going to be a little more expensive, the Razer mouse. So we're going to plug it in and we're going to check it out. I did unbraid it. It is pretty long. It is a little like tangled up and stuff, but you can just gotta stretch it out. The cable is actually pretty long. So we're gonna go over the specs and just a little bit about the mouse. Now I did do clicking sounds. If you guys want to hear them, listen. And then here's the buttons on the side. And these buttons. So I like the scrolling mouse, but the only thing I don't like about the scrolling mouse is it doesn't have, it's kind of sleek, so doesn't have like a grip thing. So like my Razer, if you guys can see, has a little bit of don't have focus on, but it has a little bubbles on it, so it has like a gripping on it. So the only thing about this mouse, it does feel pretty good, feel pretty solid. Let's see, it does glide very nice. But let's get the cable nice and let's get this cable. Pretty much just kind of stretch out the cable and plugged it in, and it's ready to go. Now this gaming mouse is really good. So it's the F300 Gaming Mouse, wired, 9 programmable buttons, RGB backlit, and so professional gaming chip 5 level 5 DPI adjusting black. So basically wow, it looks really nice. Actually, it lights up pretty nice. So it has five adjustable DPI settings. It has 500, 1000, 2000, 3500, and 5000. It does Universal Mouse Studio, supports Windows 2000, 7, 8, 10, XP, Vista, and etc. So please go to HIRALY. Please go to the website and download the program to use the software. So So I mean, honestly, this gaming mouse is just plug and play. You could download the program if you guys want to. You could adjust the DPI settings straight on the top of the mouse if you guys want to. Just like a Razer, it's almost exactly. It feels a lot lighter than my Razer. So I mean, pretty much you can see the humps a little bit more higher and stuff in the fronts. There's the fronts. So I mean, they're and you know, honestly, I used this gaming mouse before, and honestly, it's good for the price. I want to do an unboxing on it. If you guys want more specs and stuff in depth in the mouse, go to my review, or you could go to the Amazon and click on it, and it'll show you all about it. But it's just rubber painting surface on the side of the gaming mouse. It's just plastic. I wish it was actually like rubber. Kind of give you that grip feeling when you're like gaming and stuff. But dude, for 20 bucks, great Christmas present of this gaming mouse that I did like 8 months ago. And then I'll put down the Amazon product, and I'll put down the website where you can download the link and stuff, where you can download the program. But that's about it. Just pretty much gamer mouse. I just opened it up, bam, there it is. Under 20 bucks, you can't beat it. I want to do a little short unboxing on this. So they do have the gray and the black, and they sent me the black. So alright guys, that's about it. Not a whole lot on this gaming mouse. If you guys have questions, put it in the comments below. I will respond back. That's about it. I'm pretty much simple, short tech person. Tell you what it is, tell you what I think about it is. Honestly, it's a great gaming mouse. I had another YouTuber friend did do a video on this, and this is a great gaming mouse for the price. Now, of course, it's not like comparing from the Razer or Logitech. Of course, you're going up a little higher. You're going to get a better gaming mouse. But for $16.99, you cannot beat that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to join my Discord in the description below, Twitter, Instagram. And don't forget to hit that like button. And thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. And I'll check you guys later.